Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Aspiring Entrepreneur. I'm your host Hamza Chowdhury, and welcome to one of our newly 1-minute recap thing that we just launched. I'm excited for you guys to be a part of this, and my whole goal in this video is to recap the stock. Today we're going to be covering Apple in under a minute and giving you the information that I think is valuable, technical indicators and my thoughts for what you should do if you hold Apple stock. It's obviously one of the stocks that we care about the most on this channel. So with that said, let's just jump right into it. Start this timer here. So what we saw was a massive sell-off on Friday. We had a huge volume bar here at the open where people were pushing the stock down, and we first got an initial squeeze. And what was interesting was I had predicted sort of pre-market Friday that we would see about a 107.50 bounce. And you can see as soon as we traded underneath 108 towards the last hour of trading, we had this massive push, and you can see the volume here. Where were the buyers? Where are the buyers for Apple, right? So it hit under 108. The buyers came in and they totally pushed this thing up above the SMA line. We actually crossed above and closed above the SMA line, which is great. So my prediction is we sold off early in September, and we had 103. We bounced and hit 105, and then you can see this Anchorage VWAP is respected at 107.80, and now this 112.60 line that we've used as previous support is going to be a resistance line. So we're going to have that, and you can see too we closed on the down channel of the Bollinger Band. So with that said, guys, best of luck, and I expect this thing to rebound back into the 110s. Thank you.